And today we are doing something slightly different
here
from the usual. There is no need to panic, lol. A lot of people are finding ways to make money online legit, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make $100+ every day just re-uploading videos here on YouTube. Sounds crazy, right? You don't even need to show your face or set up a studio. All you need is a laptop and data. Well, YouTube has made it very easy for people to post their content and also make money from it, and there are loads of content that are free for anyone to download. I'll take you step by step on how to do this. There are niches which you can do this in, and the first thing you have to do is choose a niche that suits you and start re-uploading videos from that niche. In this video I'll make use of the animal niche, and I'll narrow it down to dogs. Dogs are one of, if not the most loved animals on earth, and making videos about them gets lots of attention and engagement. Let's take a look at some of the channels making videos about dogs. Let's search for Funny Dogs Moment. As you can see, they are videos about dogs here that are already hitting thousands of views within few days. That shows you how much engagement this is in this niche. Now let's try to have an idea of how much this channels earn making these videos. There is a tool online called Social Blade. It gives you a rough estimate on how much a channel earns in a month. So we Google search Social Blade and enter the first link. Now we will use any of this channel and see how much they earn. Copy the channel URL and paste it in the search bar below. Here is the channel ranking and other information. Here you can see how much this makes. $2,900 to $46,000 is a lot of money, and this channel makes roughly this amount on a daily. If you break that down, that's roughly $700 to $1,500 on a daily. And I'll teach you guys how to tap into this and make money from it also. There is something called Creative Commons on YouTube, and every video that falls on this category can be re-uploaded without any copyright issues. And finding these videos is easy. When you search for funny dog videos, you will click on this filter here and select Creative Commons. All the videos you find under this category can be downloaded and uploaded again, and this is where we will be getting our videos from. Before you run on thinking you have gotten an idea, I'll advise you to watch this video to the end and follow all the tricks I'll be showing you so you won't make mistakes. If there is any need to edit the video, maybe cut out some parts, you can make us of some video editors. I make use Adobe Premiere Pro, which is paid, but there are free video editing softwares out there that you can make use of. One of them is Hit Film Express. I'll also leave link to the download page below. Then we will head on to Canva and create a thumbnail. I'll show you how to do that. After that is done, you will upload to your channel. I'm sure you have created your channel by now. Continue doing this and gathering enough requirements to monetize your channel, and by the time it's done you'll have enough subscribers to earn and views to earn you at least $100 a day.